Hi there. I am your host Dhanwant Singh and you are watching the screens of Dhanwant Computer and Artistic Skills. The topic of this video is selected MCQs of employability skills for ITI trainees of all trades. 1. A person who is associated with the starting of business is called dash. A. Merchant. B. Entrepreneur. C. Businessman. D. Sales executive. Answer is B. Entrepreneur. 2. As compared to small-scale business, large-scale business requires dash. A. Less number of persons. B. Less number of capital. C. More number of person. D. Small machines and tools. Answer is C. More number of person. 3. Entrepreneurship is also termed as A. Investor. B. Employer. C. Self-employment. D. Employment seeker. Answer is C. Self-employment. 4. For medium manufacturing enterprises, the investment in plant and machinery is between A. 10 lakhs to 2 crores. B. 25 lakhs to 5 crores. C. 2 crores to 5 crores. D. 5 crores to 10 crores. Answer is D. 5 crores to 10 crores. 5. In SWOT analysis, S stands for A. Success. B. Strength. C. Survey. D. Service. Answer is B. Strength. 6. In an economic growth, role of entrepreneur is to A. Generate unemployment. B. Stagnate standard of living. C. Improve per capita income. D. Unbalance the regional development. Answer is C. Improve per capita income. 7. In SWOT analysis, which pair is helpful? A. Strengths, weakness. B. Strengths, opportunities. C. Threats, weakness. D. Threats, opportunities. Answer is B. Strengths, opportunities. 8. Money invested in purchasing of raw materials, payment of wages and salaries, rental, electricity etc. comes under dash. A. Working capital. B. Fixed capital. C. Long-term capital. D. Capital income. Answer is a working capital. 9. MSME stands for A. Micro, scale and medium enterprises. B. Macro, small and medium enterprises. C. Micro, small and medium enterprises. D. Minor, small and medium enterprises. Answer is C. Micro, small and medium enterprises. 10. Paid form of ideas, goods and services are called dash. A. Publicity. B. Goodwill. C. Public relation. D. Advertisement. Answer is D. Advertisement. 11. The enterprises engaged in the production of goods is known as A. Manufacturing enterprise. B. Service enterprises. C. Micro enterprises. D. Macro enterprises. Answer is a manufacturing enterprise. 12. The expansion of GDP is A. Gross domestic product. B. Go down demand product. C. Grand demand product. D. Giant domestic product. Answer is a gross domestic product. 13. The expansion of SIDO is A. Small Industries Development Organization. B. Small Income Development Organization. C. Small Investment Development Organization. D. Standard Industry Development Organization. Answer is a Small Industries Development Organization. 14. What approach is used to gain access to foreign markets and quickly promote an organization's interest? A. Licensing. B. Collaboration. C. Joint venture. D. Technology transfer. Answer is C. Joint venture. 15. Which investment is considered for deciding the status of manufacturing enterprises? A. Working capital. B. Building and land. C. Plant and machinery. D. Salary of employees. Answer is C. Plant and machinery. 16. Which one is a correct channel through which marketers can reach customers? A. Manufacturer, retailer, wholesaler, customer. B. Manufacturer, customer, retailer. C. Manufacturer, retailer, customer. D. Manufacturer, retailer, customer, wholesaler. Answer is C. Manufacturer, retailer, customer. 17. Which one is a web-based accounting? A. Software designed for modern business. B. Busy. C. Tally. D. Wings. Answer is C. Tally. 18. During using ATM, authentication is provided by customer by entering a cash, B. IFSC, C. PIN, D. KYC. Answer is C. PIN. 19. Expansion of ATM is a. Asynchronous teller machine, B. Automated teller machine, C. Automated time machine, D. Autonomous time machine. Answer is B. Automated teller machine. 20. Low productivity will lead to dash a. Job security, B. Political stability, C. Decrease in GDP per capita, D. Increase in GDP per capita. Answer is C. Decrease in GDP per capita. 21. Production is defined as a ratio of a. Output over input, B. Input over output, C. Output over skill of workmanship, D. Input over skill of workmanship. Answer is a. Output over input. 22. Productivity is defined as the ratio of dash a. Output over input, B. Input over output, C. Output over skill of the workmanship, D. Input over skill of the workmanship. Answer is a. Output over input. 23. The expansion of ATM is a. Automated tune machine, B. Automated teller machine, C. Asynchronous teller machine, D. Asynchronous time machine. Answer is B. Automated teller machine. 24. The process used by a business to verify the identity of their client is a. GDP, B. KYC, C. ATM, D. TFP. Answer is B. KYC. 25. What is the advantage of automation? A. Reduced operation time, B. High initial cost, C. Unpredictable development cost, D. Security threats. Answer is a. Reduced operation time. Congratulations for watching Dhanvant Computer and Artistic Skills YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more videos and updates.